Now open the evaporator set, put again in the same one.
Because the color has not changed.
Color has not changed. So I said, okay, now put again the same one and bubble the steam again. The other one also got cleaned, and everybody was watching in surprise.
Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Can any of you guess what is this? Have you ever seen such kind of a book on ship? Any idea? If no clue, then this is the book. Now when you are seeing this cover, I guess you might have seen this book somewhere lying down in the engine control room somewhere. Like right now I've got a special guest with me, technical manager Piyush Gupta sir, who is handling 25 ships with over more than a decade of experience as a technical superintendent out here. So I was discussing with him, sir, do you in your life have seen the importance of this book of Unitar with the welding handbook, or with the chemicals? They have got a separate book for chemical handling as well. So sir told me that he's got two amazing stories to share. I thought he's the best one to guide us. So let's know those two amazing stories. Jai Hind.
Okay, I would say this book became a very good friend of mine after I chanced upon an incident where we were cleaning the freshwater generator plates, and it was a regular affair. Every person on board, the oilers, used to say, "Oh, we are doing it for ages, sir. This never used to get cleaned so much. We will have to put brushes. We will have to probably scrap it, and then only the scales go." They are like the ziddi dag, the hard stubborn stains of our industry. They will not go away so easily. So I said, okay, let's try to think out of the box. Let's try to see what product are we using. And because I'm genuinely in love with chemistry, I try to read even those reactions which are taking place when we are testing the boiler water via Unitar test kit. I'll try to learn the reactions. So I tried to pick up a book one fine day during tea time, and I read the D-Scalex manual, and it was saying that the system, the chemical works well if you heat it above 60 degrees. And I thought, oh, we are just putting it in the solution and trying to wash it. Then I asked, okay, first engineer, can you just bubble steam into it a little bit and let's see if it raise it to 60-65 degrees. And he did it overnight. And the next day, oilers and everybody was in a big surprise because they were like shining like new. The whole scales were eaten up by the chemical. And it also showed us that then there are many good information available in such books. The book also told us that the chemical which you have still have a lot of capacity to clean more. So they are putting it a inhibitor inside the chemical where the color changes. Once the whole chemical's capacity or the strength is neutralized, then the color changes from green to pink, if I am not wrong. But there is a color change happening. So I said, okay, now this set is washed. Now open the evaporator set, put again in the same one.
Because the color has not changed.
Color has not changed. So I said, okay, now put again the same one and bubble the steam again. The other one also got cleaned, and everybody was watching in surprise. What is that?
So basically, reading one page can get you a lot of respect on board ship. So that was for chemicals. I have even also done a similar thing on board ship, but it was told to me by my senior chief engineer once. Maybe he must have read the same book,
yes,
like the way you chanced upon it. Sir, one such incident for this welding handbook as well.
This welding handbook, as the name says, we think that it's only for welding.
Sir, I also thought the same. I'm so sorry, guys. I have been on board ship. I have been sailing for more than a decade. But still, I'll be dead honest, sir. मुझे बहुत embarrassing लग रहा है right now saying this, that I have never opened this book on board ship. I have never read this book, thinking that is a welding handbook. And today when I am in collaboration with Unitar making this video, they have sent this happily to me. And now when I started reading, I thought, arey, it has got so many things out of which I never knew. So please share your journey, sir.
So that is a very humble confession, Praneet.
So, sometimes very embarrassing confessions I do make. Yeah. I think the company that I was selling with them thinking, yaar, kisko bhej diya jahaz pe?
No, but we all have passed through the same phase and journeys. We have thought of, oh, why do we need a welding handbook? We are not welding. But it has some very fantastic products which are also for cold repairs. One of their product, the metal grade rebuild. This we used recently. One of the ships, the valve just before the grey water overboard valve was leaking, and the ship was in a port where we could not supply this valve. We saw that the water over the period of time has eaten up the surface. So we asked the fitter to open it, and we created the surface back again. We rebuilt it, and the valve served well for the next few months till the ship was supposed to go into dry dock. So they have fantastic products, not only metal rebuild, they also have rubber rebuild, they have high temperature metal grade. So if you read these, it can come into much of use depending on where you are using. Why I'm saying is because nowadays you will be facing new and newer challenges. Let's say your scrubber. Scrubber is washing the sulfur from the exhaust, and that pipeline is containing acidic water. So these things will definitely be of much of help to you, because you will face new and newer challenges where you will find maybe vein con coating has gone bad, or a ceramic coating has gone bad, and our job as marine engineers are, the first job is to stop leaks. So this will be your best friend.
Sir, please एक बार दिखाइए. Guys, I think so knowledge is power on board ship, and if you have got something like this on board ship, even for a chance, say somebody told me when I was a junior engineer, go through the IMPA book and you'll learn a lot about pressure gauges, this and that. So, and this book is not just for welding, guys. So the welding handbook, it is written, but just so it is for a lot of other stuffs. So go through it, start learning, enjoy your journey, and become a knowledgeable engineer.
I will add one more point here.
Please, sir, please.
Unitor, as he said about IMPA. So what I saw is in Unitor product book, I chanced upon, because I started liking this book. So I also saw they have some fantastic range of Weldon pumps. So if you buy Weldon pump from IMPA book, sometimes a good Weldon pump will come, sometimes a shabby looking Weldon pump will come, but their Weldon pumps. So I decided to order from Unitor with the product code, and the Weldon pump which came, everybody was asking, and wow, what a Weldon pump this is, what kind of hoses connections it is. So I took pride in it, and I saw, okay, because I really am in love with their products. It is now that I am being called to talk about Unitor on a collaboration video. But Unitor team, you really have my heart and a lot of my fellow seafarers' heart. You have made wonderful products for all these years. Keep doing the good work.
So salute to the team, and keep working hard to the team as well as seafarers. Guys, please keep learning. That's the code. Please keep learning. When you find these books on ship, do spend some time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So if you are interested in buying this Unitor welding handbook, it is supplied with every purchase of Unitor electrode and gas welding consumables cabinet packages. If you or your company is a customer of Williamson Ship Services or Unitor, you can request a free copy of the Unitor welding handbook through your nearest customer service. Alternatively, you can also get hold of a digital copy via the following link. The link is in the description box, pinned comment, or in my bio. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.